Tesla FSD version 14 gets a wider rollout. Tesla's newest full self-driving version is officially rolling out wider to customers outside of the Early Access Program (EAP), in preparation for a total launch of the new V14 suite. Over the past several weeks, Tesla has been working to refine its new V14 full self-driving supervised, in an effort to have it ready for the entire fleet of vehicles in the United States. We are lucky enough to be in the EAP, so we've been able to test new features and rollouts firsthand. So far, V14 has introduced a handful of new features and improvements, but the first versions needed refinement before Tesla made an effort to expand the population. It had issues with a brake stutter, but this has been mostly resolved. Additionally, the rollout of the new Mad Max speed profile has gathered some attention. Tesla Mad Max testing on FSD V14.1.2. It drives like a human being. Consistent lane changes keeps up with quicker traffic, very refined. Now that Tesla has started rolling out V14.1.3 yesterday to EAP members, the company ultimately decided that it was time to expand the software to more vehicles, as many owners are reporting that they're receiving it. We are SOOO back. Additionally, the suite has started to expand to Model S and Model X vehicles, so this rollout is not exclusive to Model 3 and Model Y. I did over an hour of driving with FSD V14.1.3 in my Model S tonight and experienced zero disengagements. The only issue with this rollout is that it still appears to be missing the Cybertruck, which Tesla was transparent about earlier this month. Although the company planned to release V14 to Cybertrucks by the end of the month, there has been no hint that this is going to happen. This is already the third iteration of V14 in the past 2 weeks, indicating that Tesla is truly addressing the shortcomings of past versions and rolling out updates as quickly as possible. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.